In life, sometimes there are good things, there are important things, but there are better things. And sometimes in life, we need to decide to choose what is better than good. Mabu, na okay na may kita drug. We are doing things, important things, good things in life. But you need to choose what is better sometimes. And that is God. That's why hindi man malaking tulad ng mga obra. But we need to make a decision to love God above all, to seek Him first. And that means sacrifice. May mga priorities ka na kinanglan mo i-set aside in order to prioritize God. Choose what is better than good. Why settle for less? Ang magaling ni Pastor House, if you can reach God's best. Can we say amen?